If you're getting ready for your permit test or simply want to improve your road safety knowledge, you're in the right place. In this first part of our series, we'll break down 89 essential road signs that every California driver needs to recognize. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're ready for the next parts. Let's get started. Question 1. What does this road sign indicate? A. Stop sign. B. Full stop. C. Stop ahead. You're right. A. This sign represents a stop sign. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? A. Stop sign. B. Yield sign. C. Give way. That's correct. B. This sign indicates that drivers must yield. Question 3. Can you identify this road sign? A. One-way street. B. No entry. C. Wrong way. Good choice. C. This sign warns drivers they are going the wrong way. Question 4. What does this road sign indicate? A. No access. B. No entry. C. Wrong way sign. Correct. B. This sign signals no entry for vehicles. Question 5. What does this road sign represent? A. Pedestrians crossing. B. Children crossing. C. Zebra crossing. That's the one. A. This sign marks a pedestrian crossing area. Question 6. What does this sign indicate? A. Train crossing ahead. B. Railroad crossing ahead. C. Level crossing warning. Well done. B. This sign warns of a railroad crossing ahead. Question 7. What does this sign tell drivers? A. School zone. B. Pedestrian crossing ahead. C. School crossing school zone. Correct. C. This sign warns of a school crossing or school zone. Question 8. What does this road sign mean? A. School crossing. B. School bus stop ahead. C. Bus stop ahead. Absolutely. B. This sign warns of a school bus stop ahead. Question 9. Can you identify this road sign? A. Stop sign ahead. B. Stop coming up. C. Full stop ahead. Good choice. A. This sign warns that a stop sign is coming up. Question 10. What does this road sign indicate? A. Stop ahead. B. Yield sign ahead. C. Yield zone. Ahead. That's correct. B. This sign warns that a yield sign is ahead. Question 11. What does this road sign mean? A. No left turn. B. No right turn. C. No U-turn. You got it. C. This sign indicates no U-turns allowed. Question 12. What does this road sign indicate? A. No right turn. B. No left turn. C. Right turn only. Well done. B. This sign prohibits left turns. Question 13. Can you identify this road sign? A. No right turn. B. No U-turn. C. Left turn only. Correct. A. This sign warns that right turns are not allowed. Question 14. What does this road sign mean? A. One-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic. C. Two-lane road. You got it? B. This sign warns that the road has two-way traffic. Question 15. What does this road sign indicate? A. Right turn only. B. Right lane only. C. Sharp right turn. That's the one. C. This sign warns of a sharp right turn. Question 16. What does this road sign mean? A. Left turn only. B. Sharp left turn. C. Left lane ends. You're right. B. This sign warns of a sharp left turn. Question 17. Can you identify this road sign? A. Slippery when wet ahead. B. Wet pavement warning. C. Slippery road. Good choice. A. This sign warns drivers of slippery conditions ahead. Question 18. What does this road sign indicate? A. Curvy road. B. Winding road, right. C. Sharp bend. Right. Correct. B. This sign warns of a winding road to the right. Question 19. What does this road sign mean? A. Overturn risk. B. Trucks at risk. C. Truck rollover warning, right. You got it. C. This sign warns that trucks have a rollover risk on the right. Question 20. What does this road sign indicate? A. Emergency truck lane. B. Truck escape ramp. C. Truck off-ramp. That's correct. B. This sign marks a truck escape ramp. Question 21. What does this road sign mean? A. Dead end. B. Cul-de-sac. C. Road closed ahead. Correct. A. This sign warns of a dead-end street. Question 22. What does this road sign indicate? A. Traffic circle. B. Roundabout. C. Circular junction. You're right. B. This sign indicates a roundabout ahead. Question 23. What does this road sign mean? A. Divided highway begins. B. Split road ahead. C. Divider starts. Well done. A. This sign indicates that a divided highway begins. Question 24. Can you identify this road sign? A. End of divided road. B. Divided highway ends. C. Road without divider. Good choice. B. This sign warns that a divided highway is ending. Question 25. What does this road sign indicate? A. Merge right. B. Merge ahead. C. Merge left. That's the one. C. This sign warns that traffic must merge to the left. Question 26. What does this road sign indicate? A. Lane merges right. B. Lane ends merge left. C. Merging lane left. You're right. B. This sign warns that the left lane is ending and merging. Question 27. What does this road sign mean? A. Narrow bridge. B. Bridge with limited width. C. Bridge crossing. That's correct. A. This sign warns of a narrow bridge ahead. Question 28. Can you identify this road sign? A. Narrow road ahead. B. Road narrows. C. Reduced road width. Good choice. B. This sign warns that the road narrows ahead. Question 29. What does this road sign indicate? A. T intersection. B. Three-way intersection. C. T-shaped crossing. Correct. A. This sign marks a T intersection ahead. Question 30. What does this road sign mean? A. Y-shaped junction. B. Y intersection. C. Y-shaped crossing. You're right. B. This sign warns of a Y intersection ahead. Question 31. What does this road sign indicate? A. Four-way intersection. B. Crossroad. C. Intersection with traffic lights. Well done. A. This sign warns of a four-way intersection. Question 32. What does this road sign mean? A. Lane control. B. Intersection, lane control. C. Lane flow control. That's the one. B. This sign warns of intersection lane control. Question 33. Can you identify this road sign? A. Curve sign. B. Caution. Sharp turn. C. Sharp curve arrows. Correct. C. This sign warns of sharp curves ahead. Question 34. What does this road sign mean? A. Suggested speed limit. B. Advisory speed limit. C. Speed limit suggestion. You got it. B. This sign advises an advisory speed limit. Question 35. What does this road sign indicate? A. Speed limit. B. Speed restriction zone. C. End of speed limit. You're right. A. This sign marks the official speed limit. Question 36. What does this road sign mean? A. Speed limit in school zone. B. School zone speed limit. C. School speed zone. That's correct. B. This sign warns of a reduced speed limit in a school zone. Question 37. What does this road sign indicate? A. Emergency vehicle parking only. B. Emergency stopping only. C. No parking for vehicles. Well done. B. This sign marks a zone for emergency stopping only. Question 38. What does this road sign mean? A. Handicapped parking. B. Disabled parking. C. Reserved parking for disabled. You're right. B. This sign indicates parking reserved for disabled individuals. Question 39. What does this road sign indicate? A. No parking. B. No standing zone. C. No parking area. Good choice. A. This sign prohibits parking in this area. Question 40. What does this road sign mean? A. Bicycle path ahead. B. Bike lane ahead. C. Cyclist zone ahead. That's the one. B. This sign warns of a bike lane ahead. Question 41. Can you identify this road sign? A. Bike crossing. B. Cycle path crossing. C. Pedestrian and bike crossing. Correct. A. This sign marks a designated bike crossing. Question 42. What does this road sign mean? A. No vehicles in bike lane. B. No parking in bicycle lane. C. No parking bike lane. You're right. C. This sign prohibits parking in the bike lane. Question 43. What does this road sign indicate? A. Construction zone ahead. B. Workers, symbol sign. C. Active work zone. That's correct. B. This sign warns of workers in the area. Question 44. What does this road sign mean? A. Flagger ahead, symbol sign. B. Road work, flagging ahead. C. Construction flagging. Well done. A. This sign warns of a flagger directing traffic ahead. Question 45. What does this road sign indicate? A. Alternate route. B. Detour. C. Road blockage. You're right. B. This sign warns that a detour is ahead. Great job on completing Part 1 of our California road sign series. But there's more to learn. Part 2 is coming next, with even more must-know signs. Stay ahead by liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Click here for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Safe driving.